I'm going to move on to 28, but I just, what was kind of cool, it gave me an error message here. When you have the dot, 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 you need a comma after the last one. And it gave me that message. Hopefully it'll do that on the test, because, you know, it's a shame to miss something for a formatting error. So I got to put that on. Wish I could go back to the other video, but I'll redo it sometime. Here's 28. Hopefully you were watching 27 too. Just evaluate these. The thing is, they don't give us the calculator thing. So here's where we need to know the formulas a little bit. Actually, it's on the cover sheet, so that's not so bad. So if you don't have to memorize the formula, it'll be there. So permutation. So the formula is NPR, and that's going to be n factorial over n minus r factorial, and then we reduce it as we see fit. So the first one is 8, 3. So n is 8, r is 3. So it's going to be 8 factorial over 8 minus 3 factorial, which gives us 8 factorial over 5 factorial. And basically the way to look at this, 5 and below are going to get canceled out with the up here. So we kind of go like this, and we know that this part's going to be gone. So what's left? 8, 7, 6. Everything below 5 is gone. So 8 times 7 times 6. That's a shame that they don't have the calculator. That's kind of a big number to have to deal with, but hey, we can do it. 8 times 7 is 56. Let me do a double check. See, 8 times 7. 8 is 2 away from 10. 7 is 3 away from 10. And what you do is you add the up fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 50. And you multiply the down fingers. 3 times 2 is 6. That's the way you can check it. 56. I made up my own flashcards when I was a kid, and I did them wrong, so that I get those ones wrong sometime. And this, I guess, all over 1, because, right, that canceled. So that's, 56. And then now we've got to multiply that times 6. 8 times 7 is 56. I wish I had a trick for this one. But 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 5 is 30. So that's 336. Oops. Let's go with this one. 336. Good thing they didn't choose anything too big. With blue. So then 10, choose 7. So that's NCR, which is the formula n factorial over n minus r factorial, which is just a permutation. And then we divide by r factorial, which is the number of ways you can arrange something. So then we get 10 factorial. Is it okay if I take 10 minus 3 in my head? Oh, wait, it's not 3, it's 7. 10 minus 7 in my head. So 10 minus 7, we'll do it here. That's going to be 3 factorial times 7 factorial. And again, the way to think of this 10 and the 7 factorial, the 7 will cancel everything below 8, or 7 and down. So at the top we're going to have 10, 9, and 8, and the rest got canceled out with the 7 factorial. And then 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. And we could do a little bit of canceling here. Let's see, 2 goes into 10, so that makes that a 5. 3 goes into 9, that makes that a 3. So we've got, how do we want to do this? How about 5 times 8 is 40. 4 times 3 is 12. Let's see, 5 times 8 is 40. Multiply by 3, and we're going to get 120. That's where we sit. Okay, so let's stop here. We'll move on to 29.